alaikum grade 8 students. Hope you are fine. Today we will start with a new chapter, chapter 2 digestion. But before explaining the lesson in details, let's take general information about digestion. Today we will be able to identify the meaning of digestion, mention the organs of the digestive tube, and recognize the digestive glands that help in digestion. What is digestion? Digestion is the process where food is broken down into simpler molecules called nutrients. So digestion is the breaking down of food into simpler molecules that are called nutrients. Or we can say digestion is the process of a transformation of complex food into simpler ones that are called nutrients that can be absorbed by the blood. So the digestive system can be divided into two parts, digestive tract and digestive glands. Digestive tract is the group of organs where food passes, while the digestive glands are the glands that help in digestion, but food doesn't pass through them. First, we are going to talk about the digestive tract, which is a group of organs where food passes. So the digestive tract starts with the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and finally the anus. If we have to list the organs of the digestive tube tube starts with the mouth, then esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and finally the anus. And note that the digestion starts in the mouth and ends up in the small intestine, while the undigested food goes to the large intestine that are eliminated outside the body through the anus. Which organ allows the absorption of nutrients by the blood? After being digested, nutrients have to be absorbed by the blood. Nutrients are absorbed by the blood in the small intestine since digestion ends in the small intestine. So the nutrients are absorbed by the blood at the level of the small intestine. So what is the function of the large intestine? The undigested food that must be eliminated outside the body goes to the large intestine. Now we will move to the digestive glands. Digestive glands are the glands that help in digestion, but food doesn't pass through them. The first digestive gland is the salivary glands. We have 3 pairs of salivary glands, or we can say we have 6 salivary glands. Salivary glands secrete saliva and help in the digestion of food, but food doesn't pass through them. Second digestive gland is the pancreas. Look at the pancreas. It is an organ behind the stomach. It helps in digestion and food doesn't pass through it. And finally, we have the liver. It is the largest internal organ. It helps in food digestion and food doesn't pass through it. And not this tiny organ, it is called the gallbladder. We are going to talk about it in next sessions. So keep the gallbladder in your mind. Summing up for the lesson, digestion is the breaking down of complex food into simpler nutrients. Digestive tract is a group of organs where food passes. And finally, digestive glands help in digestion, but food doesn't pass through them.